Let's make tofu with peri peri sauce. Peri peri sauce is the smoky and hot sauce that goes great with tofu, vegetables, pretty much everything. First, we will make the peri peri sauce. To make peri peri sauce, I have a medium onion, some roasted bell peppers. I bought them from the store. I have 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, some olive oil, soy sauce, some garlic cloves. Yes, this sauce needs a lot of little ingredients, but it's really worth the effort. Salt to taste, a tablespoon of sriracha sauce, very important. Some coconut milk. I have 3 tablespoons full fat coconut milk. And Italian herbs, I'm using a nice tablespoon of Italian herbs. Smoked paprika, again very important ingredient. Some ketchup, and we will blend it till it's smooth and then set it aside. Now I have a block of tofu here. I press this tofu using a tofu press. You can also press it with some cutting boards and put some weight on the cutting boards. And here I'm going to saute tofu. I want to make it crisp on 2 sides. So after it's crisp on one side, I'll turn it and make it crisp on other sides. The whole process takes about 4 to 5 minutes on high heat. Here I have nicely crisped tofu, and in it I will just add 1 cup of peri peri sauce. Goes in. Now the heat is on low. I'm going to simmer this tofu in this sauce for a few minutes till the tofu soaks up the sauce and the sauce gets thick. If you like your sauce thinner, first cook it in this sauce for some time and then add a little bit of water. But it's a good idea to cook it for a few minutes so that the tofu absorbs all the flavors. And that's it, you're done. And this is what it looks like after a few minutes, and I like the consistency of this sauce, so I'm just gonna keep it like this. Full recipe is on my website, yogchakra.com.